Multiply 11 to, 11 to 15. 12 times 13.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 1, 2 times 3, 6. Plus 100. 156.
How did you get it? Can you explain? Sige, where's your 13? Saan yung 12 mo? Saan yung 13 mo?
This is 12 and this is 13.
And then,
Multiply.
how did you multiply it? By what na siya? Skip counting by?
By 10.
Sige. 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Tapos,
2 times 3
equals
6. Plus 100 equals 156.
So, 12 times 13 is?
156.
Okay, another one. 14 times
Ugly.
15. 14, 15, okay.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20. 4 times 20. So, 90 times 20.
Times or plus?
90 plus 20 equals 110 plus 100 equals 210.
14 times 15 is?
14 times 15 is 210.